Glorious Model D wireless in 2022. Is it a good gaming mouse in 2022? How is it in comparison to other gaming mouse? I'll be answering all of them in this video itself. Hey there awesome people, how are you guys doing? So this is here Vibro from Tech Week, and recently Glorious sent me over their Model D wireless and the latest K2 mechanical gaming keyboard for review. In this video, I'll be talking about the Model D wireless, but stay tuned as I'll be bringing in the review for the K2 as well, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Taking a look at the box itself, we have a picture of the mouse at the front, and at the back, we have the general specification of the mouse itself. Cutting the box open, we have the mouse itself on top. This mouse weighs 69 grams, which is lighter than my Razer Viper Ultimate. There are honeycomb perforations, which results into lighter weight, but don't get me wrong, this mouse is built like a tank and there is no creaking or anything as such. The overall shape of the mouse is really ergonomic and it's strictly for the right-handed users. Glorious also has the Model O wired or wireless, which is ambidextrous, which means both right-handed and left-handed users can use that mouse. This mouse has crazy amount of RGB all around the mouse, which is a really good thing for the RGB lovers out there. And even these RGB lights are really bright. Talking about the sensors, this mouse has the proprietary BAMF sensor, which is made in collaboration with PixArt. This sensor provides pinpoint precision with its 400 IPS tracking speed, up to 19,000 dpi and 1000 Hz of polling rate, which means this mouse has a really accurate and fast sensor, which is useful for gaming, especially for esports title. This mouse comes in matte white and matte black color, which you can see in the video itself. Now let's talk about the battery life of this mouse. According to Glorious, this mouse can live up to 71 hours on a single charge. And keep in mind, this is measured with RGB turned off. If you turn on the RGB, then you're gonna get lesser battery life. Personally, I use this mouse pretty extensively with the RGB turned off, of course. And in a day, I can see the battery percentage dropping by 6 to 7% depending on the usage. If I'm playing heavy games like whole day, then I can see up to 10% down in one single day. But charging this mouse is also a breeze, as this mouse has the USB Type-C port for charging or for using the mouse in wired mode, which is great as you'll have to carry one less cable when you're traveling. Of course, if you're not an iPhone user. If you're an iPhone user, then you'll have to carry a USB cable with you. The Model D wireless also comes with a flexible USB-C extended charging cable, which is really flexible, as you can see it right here. So if you're using the mouse as wired, you won't feel the drag of the cable while you're flicking your shots or general usage. Pretty high quality. It also comes with the USB extender dongle, which you can use it to keep the USB receiver close to your desk or to your mouse. This mouse also has 6 programmable buttons. The main left and right buttons are rated to 80 million clicks, which is a step up from the Glorious Model O wireless. Talking about the programmable buttons, they are customizable by using the Glorious Core software, and inside that software itself, you can change the RGB effects for all the RGB lovers out there. The mouse feet are also made up of 100% pure virgin PTFE composition, which means smooth float across your mousepad. And even additional larger G-skates are also provided inside the box if you're seeking for a more comprehensive PTFE surface for maximum glide. This version, which is a Model D wireless, is for medium to large hand size. But if you have a smaller hand, then Glorious also has a Model D-, which is smaller than this version and also weighs lesser. Now let's compare this mouse with the Razer Viper Ultimate. I have made a dedicated video review for the Razer Viper Ultimate in 2022, link of which you can find in the I button of this video. The main visual difference is the shape of the mouse. The Viper Ultimate is an ambidextrous mouse, whereas the Model D is more ergonomic right-handed mouse only. For me personally, I love the shape of the Model D more as it is more comfortable in my hand, as my hand is medium to large. And also, I think the PTFE feet of Model D is smoother than that of the Razr. Talking about the switches, the Razr has its optical switches, whereas Model D has mechanical switches. But honestly speaking, I really love the feel of the mechanical switches more. But if you want a dedicated comparison of both the mice, then please let me know in the comment box down below. I use the Model D wireless whenever I'm working, mainly because of the ergonomic shape and it feels really comfortable in hand for longer periods of time. And for gaming, I basically use the Razer Viper Ultimate. Don't get me wrong, even the Model D wireless is really accurate, and this is my actual Valorant gameplay that I recorded when I was playing with the Model D wireless. Overall, if you're looking for a good gaming mouse which won't make a hole in your wallet, then you can definitely go for the glorious Model D wireless. It's really lightweight mouse, build quality is top-notch, has USB-C for charging, has a lot of RGB, and even the sensor is amongst the best in the market. If you're interested in buying this mouse for yourself, then please check the video description where you can find direct buy links. This video has been created after testing out this mouse for a week. No editorial input has been provided by the company nor any compensation for this video, but yes, Glorious did send me over this mouse for review purpose. Now, the main question, is this Glorious Model D wireless good in 2022? Considering the price and performance, the straight answer is yes, just go for it, only if you are a right-handed user. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please like this video and also do subscribe to my channel to help this video reach to more amazing people like you. This is Vibro signing out. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.